This video will show you how to create an IAM user in AWS using CloudShell. First, in the AWS console, type CloudShell in the search bar. Then click on CloudShell in the drop-down. CloudShell should now be open. Input the following command: AWS IAM create user -- username. What you input after username can be anything of your choice, but for this video I'll be using quikStarts test, all one word. Hit enter and your IAM user should now be created. If you want to make sure it's been fully created, check the IAM page. Your IAM user should be there. Congratulations, you have now successfully created an IAM user via CLI in AWS.